I'd say if anyone is going to spend a high price tag, something that they would consider a high price tag on their face, I'd say start with your moisturizer. It's very, very important even if you have oily skin. Hi guys, my name is Cami and welcome to my channel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell up there in the right hand corner. It's gonna notify you every time I upload a video on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on social media, you guys. I also have Twitter, I have TikTok, and I have Instagram. I post makeup updates and what I'm up to updates over there. I would love to see you. The handle is, of course, Cami's Cosmetics. Everything I talk about will be linked down below in the description bar, you guys, so you can go ahead and click it there and check it out further. I could not think of a better video to start the year off with. I really just want to take all of my favorites from 2019 into 2020 with me, have them at the front and center of my makeup desk, and then clear out all the things that I don't want to use. So one of my New Year resolutions, you guys, is to declutter, but I want to hang on to the things that work for me. Let's go ahead and get started with skincare. At first I used a travel size of this moisturizer and I really loved it a lot. I got it from Sephora. I think it was about 100 of my Beauty Insider points. I used up that whole small pot and I bought the big one because I really like the moisturizer. I was so impressed. Around the time I got it, I also bought a full size of a different brand moisturizer and I wasn't enjoying that so much. So I just decided to get myself the big one. So this is the box, this is the container. I don't know why I still have the box. It's time to declutter this. The Drunk Elephant La La Retro Whipped Cream comes with 1.69 fluid ounces. It's kind of expensive. Oh my goodness, you guys, this feels so good on the skin. It's nice and rich, but it's not heavy. And I think that this would probably work for a lot of people because I have oily skin. I don't even need that much more of like a moisturizing product for my skin, but I like to make sure that I keep moisturized, especially now that it's winter. If you also have normal skin or dry skin, splurge on your moisturizer. I am recommending the Drunk Elephant moisturizer. Also at Sephora, you guys, are these Peace Out acne patches. They have salicylic acid in them and I have tried them. They work overnight. It says to leave on for at least 6 hours, but I have left mine on for 8 hours before. When you take this acne patch off, your blemish is basically non-existent. That has been my experience with the Peace Out acne patches. And so I do recommend these if you are prone to blemish skin. Another skincare product that I really like is mostly for lips, but you guys, CARMEX lip balm really is my favorite lip balm. I use a couple of other ones and I like those too. My favorite is CARMEX. This is the classic lip balm. It is medicated, but it's got SPF 15 in it. You can get it like at your local drugstore, like Walgreens, or probably your gas station. It's really just good for everyday use, and especially before I put on any lipstick or lip liner. So let's talk about my very first hair item that I loved. Obviously, you guys, I wore so many hair scrunchies this year. These are the crushed velvet ones from Francesca's. They're so cute and they're just really kind of trendy. I've been seeing them everywhere, but I've really enjoyed using them. They're just much more fun to use than a basic black hair tie. So I definitely wore the scrunchies a lot in 2019. And this came in a pack of 4, I believe. There's also a light blue one that goes with this, and oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's right here. Okay, I'm missing one. There's like a crushed velvet orange one that came in this pack. Oh my gosh, so cute. I think I actually wore that scrunchie in my very last video. So if you are interested in really cute hair items like these, you can get these at Francesca's, and I'm gonna link Francesca's website down below. So my second hair care item that I really enjoyed in 2019, and I'm going to be using this in 2020 for sure, is the Hot Tools Deep Waver that I got. This I got at Ulta, I believe, and I actually got it for free. I used it a couple of videos ago. I'll link that for you because I really believe that this hairstyle can be used at any time. I really needed a blow dryer and I trust the brand Hot Tools, and then I got that because it came with the purchase. So I scored, and deep waves are very trendy right now. So I'll link that video down below if you are interested in seeing how I did the deep waves. Those are my two hair items that I really wanted to get into this video. Okay, so let's move on to makeup. I'm so excited about this part because my favorite concealer, guys, like my ride or die concealer, the only thing that I'm completely satisfied with how long it wears, I'm satisfied with the price of it, and I'm also satisfied with the coverage of it. It is a full coverage concealer. This is the Morphe Fluidity concealer. I think it came out like in 2018 or something, but I'm not doing this by the year the product came out. I'm doing this because I used it the most in 2019. I'm completely satisfied with how long it wears. I'm satisfied with the price of it, and I'm also satisfied with the coverage of it. This is the best concealer for me. The second base product I really want to talk about, you guys, I use this foundation so much in 2019. It has a skin-like finish. I really love it. It also is pretty affordable. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Literally, it's your skin, but it looks better. Do you know what I mean? Usually I like a 100% full coverage foundation, but this is medium buildable coverage foundation. So with 2 or 3 pumps of this, it's just like full coverage. I'm in the color 500, which is a, what is it called? I just saw it. Why can't I ever, when I need it? Okay, the color 500 is called Honey Bisque. This foundation has sunscreen in it, so I really enjoy that for days where I forget to put sunscreen on, or instead of putting sunscreen on my face at the very beginning of my routine, I put on moisturizer, and maybe that moisturizer doesn't have sunscreen. You can get this most anywhere. They don't have it at Sephora, but you can get it at your local drugstore. So that is my foundation. Okay guys, so let's move on to blush. Obviously, the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Keep It Peachy. I used this so much in my tutorials. Guys, this color is just so pretty. And a little on the nose. Yes. So while I'm talking about Wet n Wild, I do want to really quick just switch to a makeup brush. This one has a tag on it. I haven't used it, but I have a ton. I want to show you like a used one. You guys, I love the Wet n Wild makeup brush. This is the crease brush. It's so soft. Okay, so this is the one I normally use. This is mine. This is the Wet n Wild crease brush. Oh my goodness. If you are just starting out and you need makeup brushes, these are super affordable. I got mine at Walgreens, which is a local drugstore here in Los Angeles and in a lot of places across the country. This is so soft. It's my favorite brush for my eyes at the moment. So yeah, the crease brush is it. While I'm talking about brushes, you guys, the LOREAL Soe brushes, these are vegan. This is the one that I use for bronzer, so it's pretty brown here. But anyway, the LOREAL Soe brushes are so soft. Oh my goodness. And I've used them all year. I'm probably going to use them all this year. But you guys, these are really good. I'll link their website down below. So Fenty Beauty had a little reboot of this item. I think it came in a mini with another item of the same name. You guys, I really use this a lot. I'm using it right now. It's on my nose, it's on my eyebrows. This is the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe Highlighter. You guys, I mean, this highlighter is amazing. I used it all year. Revolution Lace Baking Powder. I use this like in every video. If you saw any makeup tutorial by me, I was probably using this. It doesn't even have the label on there anymore. Like, that's really it. That's how much I use it. I use it so much. It was so good. Again, I have oily skin. I'm probably going to be using it a lot this year, although I did get some new powders that I really want to try out. Those are coming because I already have them here. But this is super affordable. It's only $8, and I'm actually interested in the banana color, so I'll probably pick that up and try it out. This product is a concealer, but I use it as a bronzer. My goodness, this product is not new to the market at all. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind product. This is the color called Hazelnut. You'll see it's a lot darker than like my skin tone naturally. It's darker than my neck, but I use it just to bronze up on my cheeks, around my hairline. Today I'm wearing a powder version. That's not this one, but this is my favorite bronzer. It's so pretty, you guys. It makes my skin look super toasty, and it's a cream product, so it's naturally just gonna like melt into your skin a little bit more without anything on top of it. I highly recommend the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind as your contour. For eyeliner, wow, I'm so glad that I went to the Grove one day and there was a pop-up store and I saw the name of the store. I immediately had to go in. That store was HAUS Laboratories. You guys, Lady Gaga has this eyeliner right here. Nicole Concilio did a video where she was saying that this eyeliner draws over glitter, and I found that to be true. It is so good. If you're gonna do a cat eye, I would say pick this up. It's $20, but it is well worth it. It is so matte and so black. This is Matter Than Matte liquid eyeliner, and this is the color called Punk, but it's black. They also have this in brown. For lips, you guys, I make sure to use this in all of my giveaway videos on my other channel, well, most of them. I sometimes forget to use it on this channel, but it's still my favorite. It's a gloss. It's not like a lipstick or lip pencil. For lips, guys, my favorite product is Fenty Gloss Bomb. Obviously, you knew it was gonna be this. This is so good. It didn't come out in 2019. I think it came out in 2017. But it's still so good. It's one of the best on the market, guys, and you can get this at Sephora or the Fenty Beauty website. Okay guys, so this is the part where I need a little bit of help, and this is also a part of the giveaway bonus question. If you are interested in doing the bonus question for the giveaways that I do, of course the giveaway link is linked in the description box down below. Go ahead and check it out if you're interested. You guys, I really could not choose a favorite mascara. I couldn't. I just love all the ones that I use, honestly. Benefit, NARS, like Maybelline, the list really goes on, and they're all so good. And on top of that, I went to Sephora today and the Ilia mascara is so good. All the mascaras I've been trying are so good, I couldn't pick one. So for the giveaway bonus question, if you're interested, let me know what is the best mascara you have ever used. Just write it down below in the comments. Okay guys, that is it. Those are all my favorite products of 2019, and I'm so excited just to be back. Yes, I cannot wait to do tons of videos. Comment down below. It's not a part of the giveaway bonus, but comment down below what videos do you want to see me do. I know you guys want to see my nighttime skincare routine. That is winning out of the nighttime skincare routine and the morning time skincare routine. The nighttime skincare routine is being shot and it is coming. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, you guys. I post my makeup updates and my picture updates, and I would love to see you over there. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!